Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors are constantly seeking the next big thing, often comparing newer digital currencies to Bitcoin, the pioneer in the industry. One such cryptocurrency that has been garnering attention is Solana. Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency to explore the potential of Solana as the next big thing. If you've been following the crypto sphere or are just stepping into it, this video will provide you with an in-depth look at what makes Solana stand out among the many cryptocurrencies in the market. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether Solana could be the next disruptive force in the crypto world. So let's dive into the video and subscribe to the channel. There may never be a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, BTC 1.44%. Since its creation back in 2013, Bitcoin has returned an incredible 22,279.89%. And it may not be done yet, with some analysts predicting Bitcoin could eventually hit $1 million by 2030. That would be a more than 40-fold gain from today's price of $24,000. That said, Solana, SOL 8.03%, has the potential to be the next Bitcoin. Since its public launch in 2020, the token is up an incredible 3,260%. In 2021, Solana was one of the hottest cryptocurrencies of the year. But will it ever become an iconic cryptocurrency that is found within almost every investor's crypto portfolio, just like Bitcoin? What is the unbeatable value proposition? Just like any good investment, Solana needs a clear value proposition to attract as many investors as possible. Right now, the investment thesis around Solana is that it is a cheaper, faster, and better alternative to Ethereum, ETH 0.2%, which is the number 2 crypto in the world by market capitalization. Solana is a pure proof-of-stake blockchain capable of processing over 6,500 transactions per second with near zero fees, while Ethereum can only process around 15 transactions per second with high transaction fees. For that reason, users and developers have started to coalesce around the Solana ecosystem. It's just cheaper and more efficient to do just about anything on Solana than it is on Ethereum. That's why media analysts have dubbed Solana an Ethereum killer. Even after Ethereum completes its much-anticipated merge and tries to adopt a proof-of-stake system, Solana will still have a superior technology platform to Ethereum. However, for Solana to become the next Bitcoin, it will need an even stronger value proposition. Bitcoin, for example, is digital gold. This concept is so simple to understand that it has motivated even the youngest crypto investors to buy and HODL, crypto lingo for hold, for the long term. It's been said Ethereum is digital oil. This, too, is a remarkably simple and effective way to describe why Ethereum is so important for the crypto world. So what is Solana? Here's one idea. Solana is digital sunshine. Where are the Solana supporters? Another distinguishing feature of Bitcoin is the presence of a cult-like following. Anytime the token falls, fans urge Bitcoin supporters to buy the dip. Anytime people ask them where the price of Bitcoin is going, they confidently answer to the moon. This type of incredible optimism about the future is something that Solana is going to have to capture and retain if it ever hopes to become the next Bitcoin, because that's what will help it bounce back from difficult market conditions. Just as there are Bitcoin maximalists, people who believe Bitcoin is the end-all and be-all of crypto, and Ethereum maximalists, there also need to be Solana maximalists. And there are already signs of these Solana super supporters emerging. In 2021, for example, Solana supporters tried to brand the entire summer as Solana Summer. Or take Solana's recent launch of an in-real-life, IRL, retail store experience called Solana Spaces in the center of New York City. In many ways, Solana Spaces looks and feels like an Apple store, and it is a first for the blockchain world. So if Solana ever becomes a crypto brand along the lines of a tech brand like Apple, watch out. What is the killer app? Finally, to become the next Bitcoin, Solana needs to develop a killer app that will set it apart from all other blockchain projects. In the technology world, a killer app is the one product or service that convinces users, developers, and tech entrepreneurs to embrace a particular company. Right now, the most likely choice for a Solana killer app involves non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or digital representations of ownership of art, videos, and other media. Since mid-April, Solana NFTs have been a hot topic of conversation. That was when the most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea, began listing Solana NFTs. But the killer app could also be a new game, a new metaverse creation, or a new decentralized finance, DeFi, offering. Move over, Bitcoin. Here comes Solana. Obviously, a lot needs to go right for Solana to become the next Bitcoin. However, based on what has already gone right for Solana over the past 2 years, there's reason to be optimistic about its future. Our stock pickers think you can do better than Solana. Before you consider Solana, you'll want to hear this. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor analyst team just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now, and Solana wasn't one of them. Stock Advisor is the online investing service that has beaten the stock market by 3x since 2002 asterisk. And right now, they think there are 10 stocks that are better buys. Solana Price Prediction 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030. Solana soared over 15,000% in 1 year during the last bull, earning the title of Ethereum Killer and generating a significant community. However, one of the worst collapses in recent years followed, with the SOL price plummeting 96% from its all-time high, ATH. Despite this, Solana has shown promising signs of a recovery recently. This Solana price prediction considers Solana's controversies, its fundamentals, community and technical analysis to forecast short and long-term SOL prices. Solana price history. Solana was conceptualized in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko and developed by the Solana Labs technology company. Initially, the SOL token was sold in private and pre-sales, with the final pre-sale round in March 2020 priced at $0.22. Once it launched on exchanges, the SOL price quickly shot up, trading ranging between $0.50 and $1 until July 2020. In July, the price broke $1 and began to climb, reaching $10 in March 2021. The Solana project also raised lots of venture capitalist funding, even after the project was available to trade on exchanges. A press release in June 2021 by Solana announced the project raised over $300 million in funding in a round led by Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital, and also included Alameda Research. The high level of venture capitalist interest flooded the Solana ecosystem with liquidity, enabling it to reach unprecedented heights quickly. Within 5 months of the announcement on 6 November 2021, Solana peaked at its ATH of $260.06. However, the large amounts of SOL that venture capitalists and institutions held ultimately led to Solana's demise. Following its ATH, the SOL price dropped as crypto moved into a bear market. However, 1 year on from its ATH, the founder of the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, Changpeng Zhao, said he would sell all his FTT tokens due to concerns regarding the solvency of the FTX exchange. This holds significance in the Solana story because FTX and its sister company Alameda Research were the largest holders of SOL coins at the time. CZ's announcement triggered an array of events, ultimately leading to the collapse of FTX. The collapse inadvertently meant FTX and Alameda Research had to sell their SOL tokens, causing the price to plummet to lows of $8.42, which was 96.76% from its ATH. Since the collapse, the price has significantly recovered, currently trading at $15.89. Still, the price remains 93% down from its ATH. Solana Price Prediction 2023. The recent lawsuit by the SEC against Binance and Coinbase, citing Solana as an unregistered security, isn't the first time Solana faced SEC scrutiny. The SEC previously accused Solana Labs of selling unregistered securities during its ICO in 2018 to 2020. These allegations caused a 40% drop in Solana's price, triggering instability. Robinhood's decision to delist Solana further added pressure, potentially leading to increased sell-offs and price volatility. Despite regulatory challenges, Solana's ecosystem remains resilient. Vitalik Buterin's optimistic comment about Solana's future post-FTX collapse and its active developer community demonstrate its underlying strength. Though Solana's fundamentals show improvement, regulatory uncertainties might lead to further price dips. The outcome largely hinges on the SEC case's progress by the end of 2023. A deteriorating situation with the SEC could drive SOL towards bear market lows of around $8, while positive developments in the case could propel SOL to highs of $20.05. Therefore, considering the ongoing volatility, our prediction estimates an average Solana price of $14.25 by the end of 2023. Solana Price Prediction 2024. SOL's potential remains despite its significant drop from the all-time high. On-chain analytics reveal a resilient Solana community with 230K daily active users, down from 600K at its peak, while Ethereum boasts 400K users. As the next bull market approaches in 2024, Solana's scalability, capable of 65,000 transactions per second, might drive increased demand. However, excess selling pressure from holders looking to recoup profits may challenge price surges, potentially reaching a high of $50, a low of $35, with an estimated average of $42.05 by the end of 2024. Solana Price Prediction 2025. For Solana to emerge as a top coin in the upcoming bull run, addressing its technical and centralization issues is crucial. Despite its high scalability of 65,000 TPS, Solana faces outages and centralization concerns due to fewer validators compared to Ethereum. Resolving these issues is pivotal for network stability and growth. Solana's potential priced by 2025 is estimated at an average of $65 and a high of $90. Yet failure to address these issues might lead to lows of $40, hindering its growth. Solana Price Prediction 2030. Although many in the Solana community are calling for new ATAs, it is important to consider that the future SOL price action will likely be a more organic product of supply and demand. During its last bull run, FTX was the largest holder of Solana, and FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried pleaded guilty to fraud in December 2022. The charges against him included manipulating the price of the FTX exchange token, FTT, which may have had implications on Solana's price too. With this in mind, Solana will see less parabolic growth due to reduced institutional and venture capitalist funding. That said, Solana remains one of the most innovative and vibrant crypto projects, recently introducing products such as the Solana Mobile. There is undoubtedly potential for Solana to be a long-term crypto. However, investors must remain aware of the centralization and security risks that could cause SOL to lose all its value. While we do not expect SOL to regain its ATAs by 2030, it still has the potential to succeed. Provided it fixes the above-mentioned issues, our Solana price prediction estimates an average price of $111.05, a maximum price of $146, and a minimum of $77 by the end of 2030. Is Solana a buy? Solana is a solid project with an intriguing use case and impressive tech. Its community's ability to rally behind the coin is impressive, even in times of hardship. While we forecast Solana has plenty of potential to run, it is also essential to remain aware of the risks. As well as being targeted by the SEC, Solana also carries technical risks, which could cause the network to fail in times of higher demand. Solana is an innovative blockchain with one of the strongest communities in crypto. However, we do not foresee it regaining its ATH by 2030. The main reason is that its previous ATH resulted from FTX and other VCs injecting billions into the ecosystem. Looking ahead, we believe some other cryptos are much more attractive investments. We've even compiled a list of the best cryptos to buy in 2023, saving you the time and effort. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.